Welcome back to another Rumble tutorial. Let's compare some few confusing metrics, some confusing numbers on Rumble. So let's get straight into it. I'm just gonna go straight to my content dashboard. Now, this is my content dashboard, and this is what you'll be seeing. This is on computer, the same thing on your phone if you're gonna be checking your stats from your phone. Now, I'm just going to break down some few things a little bit here, which is these two things confusing people. Once you have 1,000 views, how much does Rumble pay for 1,000 views? Is the question that many people are asking. What is the pay for 1,000 views on Rumble? Now, Rumble pays you just almost as every other platform. Sometimes your shorts might give you more money compared to your long form video on Rumble. Sometimes your long form video, most of the time, your long form video can pay you more than shorts. Why? On shorts, there are different programs that they introduce once in a while. There's no steady stats to follow for how much you get paid for Rumble. But this is what you should understand: raw views and unique views. On the unique views is where you get paid for ads and all of that. Sometimes your country of where your views are coming from can determine that, not even can. It will determine that just like on YouTube. So if you're getting paid for 1,000 views on YouTube, on Rumble you might get lesser, depend on some reasons, and I'm going to explain that to you guys. So on Rumble, if your video is being watched in a country that doesn't speak English, advertisers might not want to pay for that views. I don't know if you just understand, if you're understanding something about this. So if you're in a country, your country, if let's say you upload a video and it's something that everybody want to watch generally worldwide, and they're watching your video from, let's say, Brazil, that don't really speak English, or China, I don't know, it might not be possible, but let's say in a country like China or a country that doesn't speak English, they might not be able to serve ads to that particular video. So you might not get paid for those thousands of views you may get it from outside countries that speak English. Most especially views from outside some certain countries where Rumble is not yet serving ads, or don't see any purpose or reason to place ads on those views, you might not just get paid for it. So that also can determine, because also most especially on Rumble, you get paid from countries like the US. That is where their strength of monetization currently is. So getting unique views is what pays on Rumble. Getting raw views pays almost nothing, because one person on the unique view can give you 100 of views on your raw views. So they only pay for this unique viewer and not for the raw views that can come from just one person. I hope this helped you. If this did make sense, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.